welcome back to this channel. My name is Samson Ewusheni. So in this channel I'm going to discuss about a business that we can do in Nigeria with little amount of money to start up. We don't need to have a budget like 100k to start this business. The name of this business is car wash business. And also in this video as a case study, I'm going to check you a guy. He's a teenager of 14 years at Ibadan, at Lagos Badagry Expressway. This guy used the traffic that occur on the road as a place to as a location. Use this opportunity to wash a cars and earn a living. The name of this guy is Ezekiel. Further, before I proceed to this video to explain what a car wash business is, let's hear from this guy Ezekiel. His name is Ezekiel, a JSS2 student.
What would you kí ló fẹ́ jẹ́ ní ọjọ́ ọ̀la? Lawyer. So ìgbà wo ló stop láti máa lọ school?
Bí mo stop láti lọ school ó ti pẹ́ àti bí àti 2018.
Last year ní 2018. School wo ló stop? Class wo ló sì stop?
Mo stop ní JS1.
JS1. So bí àtìgbà wo ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́?
Di 2018.
2018. Ṣùgbọ́n ní 2016 sí. Last year ló bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Nǹkan tí mo sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ni.
2018 ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ yìí. Níbo ló máa lọ?
Tí òdòbó bá ti lọ́ndù, a máa lọ sí ọ̀nà Alábà. Tí òdòbó bá wà bá a máa ṣiṣẹ́ o, tí òdòbó bá lọ, a lè lọ sí express ní ibi Vos.
Ó máa ta mọ́ mọ́tò.
Ibẹ̀ yóò jìn. A máa fi sìn débẹ̀. Tí kò bá dẹ̀ sùn dọ̀pọ̀, a máa ta mọ́tò lọ Sunday Bridge.
Lọ Sunday Bridge lọ fún. Ìgbà ọlẹ́ máa ń lọ sí police corner yẹn lọ fún mọ́tò.
Ìrọ̀lẹ́.
Ìrọ̀lẹ́ lẹ máa lọ. So báwo lè máa jẹun àná lọ that? Ẹ̀mélòó ló máa ń jẹun lójúmọ́?
Ẹ̀kan nù.
Ẹ̀kan ló máa ń jẹun. Ìgbà ló máa jẹun sí?
Tá bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ ní tí kejì mi bá ti ṣe tá bá ti lówó, a máa jẹun tó tó wá jẹun lójú dalẹ́.
Òkè bí ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì ṣá. Ẹ ṣé gan-an.
guys, as we can see, as a word of motivation to people who still sit down at home looking for government job and find a means of living, but they don't know about this business. So the car wash business is very simple. One of the things to do without or little fund in hand. So for example, this guy Ezekiel has make his parents happy by using this opportunity to wash a car and earn a living. So what are the things needed to do this business? So one of the things needed is to get a bucket to fetch water, to find a location, buy detergent, buy sponge, buy the baler rubber to put water on the cars. These are the basic things needed to start this business. As a student or people just sit down at home, you can start with little or no with little or detergent. You can ask your parent to buy you detergent, ask for sponge. And please, before you spend 5,000 naira, you don't even have to spend up to 5k. You can start with 2k. So you can start this business like that. That are the things and basic requirements to start up this business. Please, I hold you all this business. You can just ask for a location, just a location whereby people are passing, like a road, nearby road, and start this business. No, let us just sit down and be looking for government work. Thanks for watching this video. Please, I want you all to subscribe more to this channel. Thanks you for watching.